Irresistible cinnamon coffee frosting. Learn how to make it from scratch. Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredibly delicious treat in store for you. We're going to show you how to make a heavenly cinnamon coffee frosting that will take your baked goods to the next level. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 4 cups powdered sugar. 2 tablespoons instant coffee granules. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 2 to 3 tablespoons milk or cream, as needed for consistency. Instructions. In a small bowl, dissolve the instant coffee granules in 1 tablespoon of hot water. Set aside to cool. In a large mixing bowl, cream the softened butter until smooth and creamy. Gradually add the powdered sugar, about 1 cup at a time, and continue mixing until well combined. Add the cooled coffee mixture, ground cinnamon, and vanilla extract to the bowl. Mix until all the ingredients are fully incorporated. If the frosting is too thick, add milk or cream, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach the desired consistency. If it's too thin, add more powdered sugar. Continue beating the frosting on medium-high speed for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes light and fluffy. Taste the frosting and adjust the amount of cinnamon or coffee to suit your preference. Once the desired consistency and flavor are achieved, your cinnamon coffee frosting is ready to be used. And there you have it, folks. Our mouthwatering cinnamon coffee frosting recipe that's guaranteed to make your taste buds dance with joy. We hope you enjoyed following along with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest recipes. If you give this frosting a try, let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. Until next time, happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.